Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm super excited to show you how to get that amazing 1930s filter on TikTok and transform yourself into a vintage sensation. It's quick, easy, and absolutely free. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, open your TikTok app. Now, head over to the search bar by tapping on the magnifying glass icon at the top right of the screen. Type in 1930s filter and hit enter. You'll be presented with a variety of videos showcasing this fantastic effect. Choose any video that has the 1930s filter applied. Above the username, you'll notice a button that says CapCut. Tap on it to access the template. Once in CapCut, you'll see a preview of how the effect will look. Simply tap on Use Template to proceed. Wait for a couple of seconds as the template is imported into your CapCut editing app. Now, we need a photo to pair with this 1930s filter. Tap on the Use Template button at the bottom right corner to access your photo gallery. Choose a selfie where your face is clearly visible for the best results. Let CapCut work its magic, and voila! Your finished video will showcase how you would look like in the 1930s. It's that simple. And there you have it, folks. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more cool TikTok trends and tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay vintage.